வெல்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு ஷாய் விநாயகா எஜுகேஷன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் இன் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகே, லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன் இன் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஸோ பிஃபோர் தட் நம்ம ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னால் என்னங்கிறத பார்ப்போம். வாட் இஸ் அ மேட்ரிக்ஸ்? லீகல் டெஃபினேஷன் ஆஃப் த மேட்ரிக்ஸ். ஆக்சுவலி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னா எல்லோரும் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள், ஈவன் 99% ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆர் சேயிங் தட் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. அப்படின்னா சொல்லுவாங்க rectangular array of rows and columns. Actually this is not the legal definition of the matrix, because you are saying what is a matrix? Matrix is a rectangular array of rows and columns. It is not a definition, it is actually a definition of the structure of the matrix. ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் தான் இதை சொல்ல வரும். ஆக்சுவலாக மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னா, மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இஸ் அ ஆப்ரேட்டர். ஆக்சுவலி இட் இஸ் அ ஆப்ரேட்டர். ஆப்ரேட்டர் மீன்ஸ் லைக் addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So matrix is a operator which operates on a vector and convert that vector into another vector. Because vector apna varum, this is a matrix. 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 1 5. This is a matrix. Actually what this matrix does, this is a square matrix 3 cross 3. Actually it converts a vector. Let me take the vector 1 1 2, this vector, into the another form of vector of another form. Because this vector is one form, this vector might be in another form. Let me take this ABC. The ABC takes any value, which is nothing but y equal to a into x, where your x is this one, this vector 1 1, x is this vector 1 1 2, and this is where a matrix, and y is another vector. So matrix is the operator which operates on a vector x and convert into another vector y. That is the legal definition of a matrix. So friends, இந்த மாதிரி யாராவது உங்கள்கிட்ட மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா, don't say it is a rectangular array of rows and columns. Anyhow, it is a definition of the structure of the matrix. If somebody asks you, who are you? Then what's your answer? Your answer may be, I am this person, I am this much year old, and I am from this place. That is a legal answer. But who are you? If they ask means I am a human being, I am having 2 eyes, 1 nose. This is not a legal definition. Actually this is like a crazy definition. So likewise, if people ask what is a matrix? A matrix is an operator like your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. What addition does? Addition adds 2 numbers or 2 operands, and multiplication, it multiplies 2 numbers. Likewise, a matrix is an operator that converts a vector of one form into another form. That is the legal definition of the matrix. Then now we come to the linear equations. Now we come into the linear equations. So let me take a fresh page. Linear equations. Actually, you all know the linear equations. The equation that has a degree of 1. That is the linear equation. So this is algebra. I think I want to take x plus y equal to 4. This is our linear equation because it is x is power of 1 and y is also power of 1. So it is a linear equation. X plus y is equal to 4. If anyone asks what is the solution of this equation, if they are giving only one equation, and if they ask you to find what is the solution of the equation, then what will be your answer? So we normally get confused. என்னடா இது ஒரே ஈக்குவேஷன் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, they are giving one equation with 2 unknowns and ask you to find what is the solution for this. But solution exists for the system, but those solution is infinite solution for x and y. Because x plus y is equal to 4, if you take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, then you will get 4. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, then you are getting 4. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0, you are also getting 4. Then if you take x is equal to minus 1, y equal to 5, then also it is 4. X is equal to minus 2, y equal to 6, then it is also 4. And if you reverse it, switch over x and y values. Likewise, we are getting infinite amount of solution. So what do you mean by infinite amount of solution? So infinite amount of solution is nothing but this equation has infinite amount of solution, because this is the equation that has the two variables with only one equation. So number of unknowns here is greater than number of equations. If you have condition like this, if your condition which number of unknowns is greater than number of equations, the number of unknowns x and y, இது number of equations 1. அப்போ ரெண்டு unknowns இருக்கு, ஒரே ஒரு equation இருக்கு. இப்போ number of unknowns is greater than number of equations, and definitely your solution is infinite. Solution is infinite. இது எப்படி நம்ம MATLAB இன்டர்பிரட் பண்றது? How we interpret this in a MATLAB? We will see later. So this solution is infinite in a matrix form. That we will discuss in the MATLAB. இப்போ I'm having x plus y is equal to 4, then x minus y equal to some 3. If people ask you what is x and y, then it is easy way to solve the x and y, because we are having two equations and two unknowns. So you can easily get what is it is 2x equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 2. You are getting x is equal to 7 by 2. Substitute x is equal to 7 by 2 here. Then what is your y? Your y is 4 minus 7 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. 7 by 2, 1 by 2. It is a unique solution, because x and y has this fixed value, x and y. It is not like x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 0 like in the previous one. It has only fixed values. X is equal to 7 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So if number of equations is equal to number of unknowns, number of equation 2, number of unknowns 2, number of equations is equal to 2, number of unknowns equal to 2, then your system is unique. System has unique solution. Unique solution means a system exists with one solution, that one solution is exact. Suppose if we look at the third case, now we are seeing number of unknowns is greater than number of equations, number of equations is equal to number of unknowns. The third case might be number of equations is greater than number of unknowns. So what is type of equation? Suppose x plus 2y equal to 4, x minus 5y equal to 6, x plus 7y equal to 8. So if you look at, friends, if you look at this equation, set of equations, it has two unknowns, but equation is 3. So number of equations is more than number of unknowns. For this type of system, no solution exists. No solution exists means your x and y are undetermined. X and y are undetermined, because you can't find the solution for x and y if number of equations is more than number of unknowns. So here you are having 3 equations. So 3 equations with the 2 unknowns. So you don't get the value of x and y. How this will be interpreted in the MATLAB? Now we can see that. Now if you take this equation, x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y equal to 3. How we interpret this MATLAB? You can write it like this. Coefficient of x is 1. So coefficient of y is 1. This coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is minus 1. It is x and y. It is 4 and 3. Yeah. It is x and y equal to 4 and 3 with the coefficient of this one. This how we interpret the equation in a matrix. I am mentioning as a MATLAB, it is a matrix. Since I am working in the MATLAB, so I got this name. And MATLAB and matrix both are confusing me very much. So this is what? Actually this is how we interpret your equations in a matrix. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. This 1 is nothing but coefficient of 1, x. This 1 is coefficient of y. This one is coefficient of x, and this minus 1 is coefficient of y. So suppose how you find x and y? X and y is equal to, bring this matrix here. It is 1, 1, 1 minus 1. The whole inverse into 4, 3. So take the inverse of the matrix. I am not interested in getting the solution, but if you look at this is a square matrix, so inverse exists. For square matrix, the inverse exists. So definitely it has the unique solution. If you take the first one, very first one, x plus y equal to 4, how do you interpret this in a MATLAB? In a matrix. X coefficient is 1, This is also for y, it is also as 1. So it is x y equal to 4 3. Sorry, it is simply, it is 4, not 4 3. It is 4. Now 1 1 xy equal to 4. Now what is xy? Your xy is nothing but this 1 and 1 the whole inverse of 4. Friends, this is non-square matrix. The inverse won't exist for non-square matrix, even though the pseudo inverse exists, but that is out of reach as of now. So it won't exist. So the solution won't get here. And if you go for the third one, if I put it, the third one, x plus 2y equal to 4, x minus 5y equal to 6, x plus 7y equal to 8. How do you interpret this in a matrix? It is coefficient of x is 1, here 2, 1 minus 5, 1 7, and it is 4 6 8. Sorry, it is xy, is it? Sorry, it is x and y. It is x and y is equal to 4 6 8. Now you have x and y is equal to this matrix 1 1 1 2 minus 5 7. The size of this matrix is 3 cross 2, because size of this matrix is 3 cross 2. Inverse, take the inverse of this, and 4 6 8. So definitely x and y here you are supposed to invert the non-square matrix with some values. And look at this, it has the 3 rows and 2 columns, so definitely it is 3 comma 1. So matrix multiplication won't exist, so you never get the solution for x and y. For this, no solution exists. Yeah, this is how you interpret the linear equation in the MATLAB. So friends, this video we have seen that what is a matrix and what are the linear equations, and how we form the solution to the linear equations. We are seeing the 3 cases. The first case is number of equations is less than number of unknowns. Second one, number of equations is equal to number of unknowns. And third one, the number of equations is greater than number of unknowns. So for the first and third case, you never get any solution. You get the solution only if number of equations is equal to number of unknowns. So this is the very fundamental thing we have to know on the linear systems and the solution of the linear systems. Okay friends, உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இந்த அப்கமிங் கிளாஸஸ் நம்ம மேட்லாப் யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனோட சொல்யூஷனை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறது, ரேங்க் ஆஃப் த மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னால் என்ன, அதோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் என்ன, இன்வர்ஸோட ஆஃப் த மேட்ரிக்ஸோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறத இந்த அப்கமிங் வீடியோஸ் நம்ம பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் அ மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் சீரியஸ் ஃப்ரம் சாய் விநாயகா எஜுகேஷன். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்களுக்கு எப்பயுமே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.